Jigsaw? Who the fuck is that?
Hello, Garrett. Let's play a game.
Dude, what the fuck? I'm in the middle of a game. Get off my screen.
I said, let's play a game.
Alright, dude. I'll play a game. It's cool. Just chill. Chill.
I wanna play Halo.
Fuck you. Halo's gay. Alright, fine. We'll play Halo.
Oh my god, yeah, oh my god.
So what game type do you want to do?
Slayer.
Okay, Slayer. At least that I can agree on.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah.
Alright, fine. Are we gonna go or what?
Sorry, I got the cramps.
Oh, hell no! Ugh!
Get back in there now.
But you just shit your suit. Use the analytics. Use what are you, Asian?
My bad. Here we go.
Great fucking going. Oh, you better not take that tank over there. Jigsaw? Nope. You better not take that tank. Jigsaw? You're an asshole. After what just happened? Okay, dude. I'll get in. See? You see me? I'm getting in. Chill.
Oh man, that big burrito's really getting to me.
Jigsaw? No. No. Go for it. There's a cliff there. No.
You know what? Fuck you. I gotta take a piss. I'm done with this shit. Holy shit. What do you want from me?
Be ready to taste my beef burrito.
No.